Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable require verbs for voice access commands in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity. Now here in interaction and dexterity, click on voice access. Now click on settings and here scroll down and then you will see a require verbs button. So if you want to enable require verbs for voice access commands, then turn on this button. And if you want to disable require verbs for voice access commands, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable require verbs for voice access commands in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.